Hello, this is Flat Renovation Update, day 53. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom over here, we've got some progress. We've got a new little blue lever that's over there because the other tap wasn't strong enough. So hopefully that will allow us to shut off the water if need be, and hopefully we won't have any more leaks over here. Probably not much else has been done around here because that was like the main focus, and it also wets the whole flat every time. Over here I can see they've done some more touch-ups, looking better, but that's about it. So I just really want this stage of the project finished now.